Lockdown can be pretty boring. I need a hobby. Maybe I could study viruses and find a cure. How about learning French? Or here's one I'm good at. Taking naps. No, I've got a better idea. Oh, hang on. Let's check if the postman's come with something from Amazon. Ow, I have a fabulous workshop. What can I build? What I need are some more tools. Maybe a lathe. I've decided to learn a new skill. I'm sure many of you, like me, watch YouTube channels with people doing lathe work.
Let's start with what is likely the most popular option, the 3-jaw chuck.
It seems fascinating and fun, but if you're not an engineer, how do you begin?
Whenever possible, work should be mounted between centers because heavier cuts can be taken when both ends of the work are supported.
But I'm Professor Simon. Using a lathe can't really be that hard.
The cutter bit and tool holder are drawn back in the tool post.
So I read every book I could get my hands on. But I've got a lot to learn. So in this film, let me share with you my adventure in learning to use a small lathe. So where do we begin? I guess we need to choose a lathe. After much thought, I selected a German-made machine and purchased it online from a French company called Mano Mano. So here it is, a beautifully made piece of precision kit. You might have spotted, it's a mini lathe. Small and perfectly formed, just like me. Machined all metal parts, accurate, powerful, yet compact. The Proxxon 250. 250 designates the size from the chuck to the tailstock, and that's great for building small engineering parts. But I've got lots of questions. I've never used a lathe. How does it work? Let the fun begin. But I'm always losing parts on the workshop floor. Well, no different today then. Turning a brave face to my first cut. Facing cut. The trusty blue Sharpie makes me feel like a real engineer, who are probably turning blue watching this. Wow, getting technical now. That's a relief. Let's look under the hood. Oh boy, it's a stick shift gearbox. Proxxon lathes come with metal change gears, totally metric. So suck that up, Imperial Empire fans. They call this one M8. Okay mate. But am I in drive or park? Knowing my luck, probably reverse.
Look at the gears a moment and see what they do. First, a small partial turning of the mainspring barrel drives the center wheel a complete revolution. A partial revolution of the center wheel drives the third wheel a complete revolution. And this in turn drives the fourth wheel much further.
My granny told me this trick. Easy peasy. We have liftoff. Failure is not an option. Hope we don't have a problem. This is not the time to let my mind wander. I can't keep thread of my thoughts. Phew! Got my wits in order. I must keep screwing in, out. This is not an old girlfriend joke. Why did I do this with such a hard rod? Okay, enough innuendo. You need ninja powers to be Mr. Pete or A-Bomb. Concentrate. Concentrate. The deeper the cut, the deeper the hole I'm digging. To add my part to the scrap bin in the sky. Okay, done. Maybe? And here's the finished part. But I seem to have messed up. Who can tell me what I did wrong? Seasoned lathe professionals will of course know the answer to the mystery of the captive nut. But if you need the answer to this lathe riddle, become a Patreon and I'll tell you the trick.